Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode. This episode we are going to be working on the DR-Z, trying to get it ready for the Brier Enduro that I plan on doing here in a week or so. So I got some bark busters for it off of Amazon, and they are from Dirt Power Racing. I have no idea who they are or anything like that. It's the kit, so we're going to see how it works out, and we got to do a couple different things. Change the oil, get it running. She hasn't been started in a while. But we're going to go ahead and get the bark busters on and see what we can do, see what happens. Hopefully they look good, but they were less than 20 bucks. So, and got a couple other things: clean the chain, clean the bike up, and try to make sure everything's ready to go. Here's the kit laid out. So obviously you have your two plastic pieces that go relatively something like that. You have your two brackets that go on your handlebars here, a couple screws, and then you have your bar spacers that slide over. This kit doesn't look too bad, but it didn't come with any directions. I mean, you shouldn't really need directions, but some people might, and it would be nice for some directions as well. But it's a universal kit, and who knows, we'll see how easy it is to install. We got them on, so there they are. That's how they look from the front. They don't look too bad. Mounting was a little different. It was pretty simple to mount them. One thing I don't like is they don't fit on the bars perfectly. You can see there's a gap between the mounting hardware. The kit said it would fit a DR-Z125. So I'm not sure what's going on, but had to move my controls a little bit. My clutch lever, or brake lever and the clutch lever had to come up, and I had to change my clutch lever to a different one. The other one was longer, which is not a big deal, but they should do the job. We'll see how they hold up. Yeah, not much else I can say. I think they were like 12 bucks on Amazon. Definitely less than 20. I'd have to look. Fitment is a little iffy, but we'll see if they work, and they don't look too bad. We're changing the oil in the DR-Z125. The last time before the last race, I had changed it to Amsoil, the synthetic dirt motorcycle oil, and I used 1050 the last time, and it worked great. This time I'm going to be using 1040. I expect probably the same result for what I'm doing with it. So when you go on Amsoil and you order something you can get oils for your cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, side-by-sides. They have different kits as well. So for your vehicles, Amsoil, they have filters for some of them. For my bike in particular, they have a Wix filter that they recommend for this bike. So that's the one I've been using, and I have success. Obviously had success with it, with the race and everything. I couldn't be happier. If you want to know more about Amsoil stuff, get on their site. I'm actually an Amsoil dealer, so let me know if you need anything. I use it, like I said, in all my vehicles. I use it in, my fiance has a Toyota Camry. It's a hybrid. I used it in that, and it actually quieted the car down, and we're getting just good fuel mileage and things like that out of it. I had ran it off camera, rode it around for a little bit just to get the oil moving, get it warmed up before I changed it here. It's always a good practice to warm the vehicle up. DR-Z done. She's back in her little spot in the garage. She's ready to go. I'm going to try to get out and do some practice. The Enduro is, I believe, like 80 miles on a DR-Z125. I have a feeling I'm going to be as tired, if not tireder, as I was for the hangover hare scramble at Bud's Creek. But we're going to give it a shot. I'm sure it's going to be a learning experience. And again, the only reason I'm doing it on the DR-Z125 is because I don't have another bike. I don't have another or a bigger one, or I would love to do it. I would love to do it on a KTM two-stroke, like a 300XC or something like that. Well, anything bigger, but KTM would be my first choice if I was going out and buying a bike. This is what I got for now, so that's what we're going to do it on, and I have my camera equipment ready to go, so this time at least you'll be able to come with me for the ride and either enjoy my pain or be in pain with me. I'm not sure. So I'm excited about it, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching this week, and I will see you on the next episode next week. Thanks a lot.